Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel, and today we'll see HTML program, how to write HTML program and how to save. Who don't know HTML, how to do the programs, you can be learn easily. So first we have to open Notepad. We have to write HTML program in Notepad. Then we have to be convert. First I will start Notepad. Click here, go to Notepad. You can type here Notepad. Okay, you can open Notepad. Okay, so this is when you open Notepad, and first you have to be create your program in Notepad. So first we have to understand what is the HTML and what is the use of that one. HTML stand for hypertext markup language. So this is useful for making creation the website, designing web page. You can make while through writing the codings and programs, you can make the web designs. Okay, first you see here, first you have to start HTML. First you have to write HTML tag. Okay, less than HTML and close. After you have to put head. These are meant. See, whichever tag you open, HTML I open, I should be closed it at last. Okay, whatever tags you have open, you supposed to be closed compulsory. So when you click forward slash HTML, so you this is open tag, you can say, and this is you can say closing tag, because when I use forward slash, so that has to become closing. Okay, under head I'll write first title. So title means what you want to be keep the file name title. So I can write here the first page of my first page. Okay, this is title name. So after writing this title, I will close the title. Same, I told you I open title tag without slash open, and if I want to close, I should be write slash and title. Okay, I close title. Now afterwards I want to be close head also. Okay, head tag we are using for using the only head. Okay, that I'll use forward slash head. Okay, this is one step how to create the title. Next steps come body. If you want to write any content or you want to design, you should be start with the body. Okay, in the body, okay, when you start body, first I want to write heading. Heading H1. See, there are 6 types of headings will be there. H1 to H6. So depend upon headings, the font styles will be changed. So I'll write here my heading is Sai Techno. Okay, this is I am putting heading. So same I want to close the heading also. Only this Sai Techno should be come in the heading. Okay, remaining part I not required. Okay, I close here heading. Again I want to be start paragraph. P you have to start. So then you have to write the paragraph about that. See, Sai Techno YouTube channel. It help student and basic learners of basic. You can be enter also basic learner of computers. Then I want to close here paragraph, because if you want to more, you can write more, there is no limit. So I close my paragraph is here this much, it will come paragraph. Okay, here see we have to be check which is we not closed. HTML tag we open and we close at last. Okay, head tab we open and we closed here. Okay, title we start here and we closed here. Okay, and body we start here. So H1 we start, H1 closed. Paragraph we start, we close. We did not close body. Okay, that I want to be closed at here. Okay. See, then I have to put here forward slash. Okay, this is one program example. I am saying how to write the program. So after writing the code, just you have to go file and save. Okay, but you have to very important, it's coming default extension name txt, but you have to be changed. So I'll write here Sai Techno dot html or htm, because we are converting notepad into HTML and click save. First you select location and click save. Okay, this over and you make minimize. Then where you have saved, open that. Okay, here you can see my program is coming here, Sai Techno. It's coming with browser. Which browsers you have? Maybe Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, which you set default, it will be save that one. Okay, when you open this file, it will be get the result. See, you can see here. Okay, this is title. You can see I'll make here minimize this notepad. You can see here easily. See, title I have given my first page. Okay, it will come here first page. You can see this is title. As again same, you can see here heading I have written here Sai Techno. It's coming Sai Techno. You can understand easily. You can compare with programs also. Who are the basic learners who are starting learning for HTML, you can understand very well. And it is come paragraph. I have written related YouTube channel of our this Sai Techno. So this is about how to be write program in HTML. So once you have understand how to write program, so any kind of program you can be prepared well. So first basically you have to understand when you open tag, compulsory you supposed to be close it. And suppose I have written Sai Techno, I wanted to more writing or I want to be rewriting something. See, you can see here Sai Techno YouTube is there. I did not spell writing properly, wrong. Then what happened? Just to make this one close here and open your notepad program where you have written. Okay, otherwise just you can be click, right click. Okay, open with, it's not coming. See, notepad only I will open. Okay, just I will open first notepad. Okay, there you have to be file, open, that your file where you have saved, you have to be open that. I have saved file as Sai Techno way, this one. I'll click open. When I open whichever I have written, it will become. See here you can see Sai Techno, YouTube spelling wrong. So I'll write here YouTube properly. Or you want to be write more something. Okay, YouTube channel is best. Okay, this is best for beginners. So like this, if you want to be update anything, you can be update and click save, or you can use Control S. Okay, then I will be minimize this one and same. I'll go my folder here Sai Techno. Just I'll be right click and refresh it. Okay, just you be click refresh. When I open again, you can see my update will be there. See, you can see here Sai Techno YouTube I mentioned wrong. It's coming right only. Okay, it is best for beginners. So like this, if you want to be add more content, what you have to do? Again, you have to go to the this one notepad and you can be update your content. So I hope you are understand very well how to create the HTML program. If you understand well, please like, subscribe and share with your friends.